And figure skating, one of the most graceful and technically demanding Olympic winter sports, made its debut at the 6th edition of the Khelo India Winter Games. Combining athletic strength with artistic expression, the sport has opened new doors for young Indian skaters aiming for international recognition. Here's a report, have a look.
Known for its blend of athletic skill and artistic expression, figure skating is opening new avenues for India's winter athletes. Figure skating is an Olympic winter sport that blends power, balance, flexibility, speed and artistry. Athletes perform choreographed routines on ice, set to music, showcasing a series of technical and artistic elements. These include high-flying jumps like the axel, along with spins, footwork and step sequences that demand years of disciplined training.
Figure skating is all about deep edges and outside edges, and the skates, it's like a thin blade, and we have to perform many different elements like jumps and spins and also step choreography while being graceful and resilient, and the judges evaluate us on the basis of the difficulty we do and the choreography and the aesthetic appeal we give to them.
One of the oldest Olympic sports, figure skating has been part of the Winter Olympics since 1908. Globally, skaters begin training at a very young age, mastering both athletic precision and artistic performance. For the first time, Indian skaters are competing under standardized national rules and professional judging systems. Judging in figure skating is based on two key components: technical elements and artistic impression.
Yeah, this is going to be the greatest platform for all the skaters to attend the next highest levels of championship in Winter Games. This is most valuable competition all the skaters would attend till now.
With the inclusion of figure skating in the Khelo India Winter Games, young athletes from across the country are now dreaming bigger, aiming not just for national medals, but for international podiums.
The inclusion of figure skating at the Khelo India Winter Games signals a clear shift in aligning India's winter sports ecosystem with global standards. The move reflects government's intent to expand winter sports and create a structured pathway for Indian athletes to compete globally. In Leh with cameraman Jagmohan, Abhishek Prasad, DD India.